Hello and namaskar. You're watching KTV India with me Varsha Venugopal, and today's big story from Karnataka. The state government led by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has suffered a major setback in the Jan Aushadhi controversy. The Karnataka High Court has quashed the government's order to shut down Jan Aushadhi centers inside government hospitals. This order was originally issued on May 14th, directing the closure of all Jan Aushadhi outlets functioning on government hospital premises across Karnataka. The government had argued that since it already provides free medicines in hospital, the Jan Aushadhi stores where medicines are sold at subsidized rates were unnecessary and should operate outside hospital campuses. However, this move was challenged in court. A petition was filed by Rakesh Mahaling and others questioning the legality of the shutdown. The case reached the Dharwad bench of the Karnataka High Court, and now the verdict has arrived. Fully in favor of the petitioners, the High Court has struck down the government circular, calling the closure order invalid. This has become a major embarrassment for the state administration, which had defended its decision as a step towards strengthening free medicine distributions. According to reports, the court found no proper justification for shutting down stores that benefit thousands of low-income patients. These Jan Aushadhi centers usually offer medicines at 20 to 30% of branded price, making healthcare more affordable for poor families. Also, the government insisted Jan Aushadhi stores should not run inside hospitals, but the petitioners argued that shifting them outside would cause difficulties for patients who depend on these cheaper medicines. BJP leaders responded. S. Prakash, who strongly criticized the Karnataka government, they said the Congress administration acted out for vengeance and could not digest the popularity of Jan Aushadhi centers among the poor. According to him, the government's attempt to shut these outlets was anti-people, and the High Court quashing the order is a clear message. He added that many such decisions of the Karnataka government have been overturned in the past as well, and urged the state to focus on governance instead of targeting central schemes. For now, the High Court's decision means Jan Aushadhi centers inside government hospital will continue to function as before, offering affordable medicines to thousands of patients. This is a developing story, and we will keep you updated with more details as they emerge. I am Varsha Venugopal, and you're watching KTV India.